Hello, hi, and assalamu alaikum to everybody. Today I'm going to make a recipe called butter chicken with the US chicken, which is leg quarter pieces. This is a very authentic and a traditional recipe, a mixture of butter and cream with chicken. It has lots of flavor in it. It's been originated from the subcontinents of India. So let's get started. These are the chicken pieces. These are leg quarters, as I told you earlier, US chicken, and I have just cleaned it with the lemon water and some salt in it. I'm going to remove the skin off because this recipe doesn't need skin, so I'm going to remove it off, and I'm going to give slits onto the chicken pieces. Now we'll start with marination. Okay, before marinating, let me show you the ingredients, what all are required. This is 1 cup of cashew paste, half cup of fresh cream, small onion chopped finely, 1 to 2 teaspoons of tomato puree. This is 150 grams of butter. This is unsalted butter, and bay leaf and cloves, some dry fenugreek leaves, 2 large tomatoes chopped, 2 teaspoons of yogurt, 1 whole lemon extract, coriander powder 1.5 teaspoon, garam masala up to 1 teaspoon, cumin seeds half a teaspoon, red chili powder around 1.5 teaspoon, and turmeric powder around 1 teaspoon, salt as per taste, coriander leaves 1/4 cup, few green chilies, 1 teaspoon of grated ginger, 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Now let's begin with the marination first. To the chicken pieces, we'll add 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste, red chili powder 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder half a teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, garam masala half teaspoon, salt, yogurt 2 teaspoons, and lemon extract, which is 1 whole lemon extract juice. I'm just going to mix all these ingredients well together with the chicken and marinate this for minimum of 15 to 30 minutes. Another advantage of making butter chicken is, in case if you aren't able to make the recipe, the chicken gravy recipe, then you can stop right here itself and enjoy delicious grilled or tandoori type of chicken right at home. Now take a frying pan or a deep frying wok to fry the chicken pieces. Now add 120 grams of butter to it along with little drops of oil, so it will avoid discoloration of butter. Once the butter is heated well, you can now add in the chicken pieces and cook. This needs to be cooked until they are crispy on both the sides, and also they turn nice brown in color. As you can see, it's turning nice brown in color, and they are beautifully getting cooked with the butter flavor. Now once this is done, I'm just going to remove this in the kitchen towel and set this aside and work on the gravy. So let's move on to the gravy now. I'm going to take a nice deep wok pot again, add the remaining butter to it along with the cumin seeds and the bay leaf with the cloves and the grated ginger, and just stir it well. Add the onions and cook until the onions are translucent. Once the onions are translucent, add the remaining ginger garlic paste and the tomatoes to it and cover it up and cook it until the tomatoes are translucent. Moving on, let me just show you. I'm going to serve this along with the steamed rice, so I'm preparing my steamed rice as well. Next, let me check on the tomatoes. Wow, they look beautifully tendered and they are completely cooked in the mixture. Now to this I'll be adding in the tomato puree and then give it a nice mix and close it and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. After 2 minutes, I check the tomato puree is beautifully cooked with the tomatoes, and I'm going to add the cashew puree to it. Mix it well. Now this is going to thicken up, so we can add 1 small cup of water to it and give it a mix. Now to this we will be adding in the red chili powder, the coriander powder, turmeric powder, and the garam masala. Give it a nice mix to all these ingredients. Add in your chicken pieces to it. Now this needs to cook for at least minimum 5 to 10 minutes in a very medium flame, covering the lid. After 5 to 10 minutes, you can add your fresh cream to it and give a gentle mix to all these ingredients well together. Blend in beautiful aroma. I'm going to add the fenugreek leaves along with green chilies and coriander leaves and just give it a slight mix, and again close the lid and cook in a very medium flame for about 2 to 3 minutes.
And you see the beautiful chicken is ready. It's really filled with aroma. Let me just show you.
So okay guys, my recipe is ready now. It's gonna go on plate, and the aroma of this recipe is all over my kitchen right now, and it's super tempting. This is going to be served with some nice hot steamed rice I showed you just now. You can also serve this with parathas or with tandoori naans or garlic naan or any kind of naan or roti, chapati, as well as dosas.
So there you go guys, the delicious and the most tendered chicken, butter chicken recipe is right there served on my plate. Flavors are so good. I can't express in words, but when you try it, you will know. So keep watching, lots more to come in. Till then, you all take care, stay home, stay safe.